Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to another peaceful painting session. Today, we're going to create a calm and dreamy sunset marsh landscape filled with warm evening light, golden grasses, still reflective water, and a graceful bird standing quietly by the shore. The soft glow of the sunset combined with the peaceful atmosphere of the wetlands gives this painting a very relaxing and emotional feeling. It's one of those simple, natured scenes that feels quiet, warm, and full of life at the same time. I begin by mixing yellow, red, and a touch of white with a flat brush to create a soft, glowing sunset color for the sky. Using gentle, horizontal brush movements, I smoothly cover the upper part of the canvas and blend the colors together until the sky feels soft and calm. I want the atmosphere to feel warm and peaceful, like the final moments before sunset disappears completely behind the horizon. Next, I mix a muted blue using blue, white, and a tiny amount of black to create distant mountains in the background. These mountains are painted very softly and without sharp details, because they are far away and partially hidden in the evening haze. Keeping distant elements blurry helps create more depth and atmosphere in the painting. I repeat the warm sky colors in the water below because calm water reflects the colors above it beautifully. I make the water just slightly lighter than the sky, so the reflection feels natural and luminous. Smooth horizontal brushstrokes help create the quiet stillness of the lake surface. Now I mix a warm, earthy brown using yellow, red, and a touch of black, and begin painting the large marsh grasses stretching across the middle of the canvas. This layer creates the natural border between land and water. After placing the darker base layer, I lighten the mixture and gently highlight parts of the grasses while still allowing some of the darker shadows underneath to remain visible. This layering technique gives the reeds texture and dimension instead of making them appear flat. Using a smaller brush, I paint some delicate reed branches rising above the grasslands. Since these grasses are in the distance, I avoid making them too sharp or detailed. Softness is very important here, to preserve the feeling of depth and distance. For the foreground section of the marsh, I darken the grasses slightly more to create stronger contrast and help pull the front area closer to the viewer. I also define a few of the front grasses with greater clarity and detail. These little changes in contrast and sharpness make the painting feel more three-dimensional. By the way, I'd really love to know something from you. Do you prefer painting on white canvas or black canvas? And have you ever tried painting on a black canvas before? Tell me in the comments. I always enjoy reading your experiences and ideas from all around the world. To make the lake appear even more reflective, I softly add another layer of lighter color over the water. This subtle glow helps create the feeling of smooth evening light dancing on the surface. I begin shaping the shoreline of the marsh grasses, first using darker tones and then adding lighter highlights to suggest wetness and reflected sunset light. These little highlights make the edges feel damp and alive. With a liner brush and light paint, I create reflections of the grasses in the water using thin, vertical, and slightly broken strokes. Reflections should never look perfectly clear, so I keep them soft and slightly distorted by the gentle movement of the water. Using the liner brush again with lighter paint, I add several tall grasses in the foreground of the painting. These grasses help bring the viewer visually closer into the scene and create stronger perspective and depth. The closer elements become sharper, brighter, and more detailed. I continue refining the shoreline, adding subtle highlights on the land and shaping the edge where water meets earth. These small adjustments help everything feel more connected and realistic. Now it's time for the most beautiful part of the painting, the elegant bird standing quietly beside the water. I begin by sketching its overall shape using white paint. If you're nervous about painting the bird directly, you can lightly sketch the shape first to make the process easier and reduce the pressure. Step by step, I add the shadows, darker feathers, and delicate details that give the bird its graceful appearance. Of course, such calm water also reflects the bird beautifully, so I paint its reflection beneath it using darker and softer tones with less detail than the real figure above. This instantly makes the water feel more believable and glass-like. Finally, I paint the glowing sunset sun resting low on the horizon and softly radiating warm light across the scene. This final touch completes the peaceful atmosphere of the painting and ties all the warm colors together beautifully. Thank you so much for spending this relaxing painting time with me today. I truly hope this artwork brought you a moment of calmness and inspiration. Please support the channel with a like, subscribe, and a comment. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue creating more peaceful painting tutorials for you.